Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Oculus Meta Quest 2 version 2nd. As you see, if you have some account on it or some issues with your software, you have to turn off your Meta Quest by this button. After that, when you have turned off your Meta Quest, you have to press and hold the volume down, and the same way pressing the power button. So you keep holding both the key, and on the screen, on the screen you're gonna have some boot logo. Let's see. Did you see that? Anyway, you see. And there is a factory reset option, as you see. So you're gonna navigation by this button to option factory reset, then accept by power, and voila. Your Google gonna be resetting to the factory default mode, and it will be like brand new from the shop without any accounts and problem issue with software. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.